Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, April 23rd at 4:19 a.m. All right, we've got two stocks for you today. We've got ServiceNow, NOW, and we've got USO Oils back on the list just because we're pushing above dark pool prints again. And so let's have a look. So ServiceNow, they had earnings and not sure what the report was, but anyway, they didn't like it. So prints in the last 30 days that we look at, March 27th, we see this here. There's two on this day, March 27th, and then we pushed back up. This was a downward trend, pushed up to the 8 exponential moving average, pulled back, and then all the way down here. And look at all of these prints at the bottom. So we pulled back, broke through the prints up to retest these ones here, and then we had earnings, and now boom, we're all the way back down to these prints. So this is a key level here. If we break these prints, retest, maybe can move down. Usually after earnings, the institutions can sell, 2 to 3 days after. We'll see what actually happens there. Otherwise, if we try and recover a little bit. So let's map that out on both sides of the trade. So here on the left hand side, you can see all the prints that we're stuck in at the moment. We're going to be bullish above 91.50. Let's get above here, and then target 92, 92.96 is S4, 93.28, 400K, 93.57 is 422K, 95.96.24 is S3. ATR in this one's about $5. It's already down 12. Anyway, you can get some momentum there on earnings, and if that continues up, then watch the next levels. I've got a 200 exponential moving average here, and then watch the 99.50 level as well on the upside. I only mapped this out to 96.24 though. We're bearish below 89.50. Let's get below this S5, and then you've got a 50 cents there almost to 89.06, 88, 87, 86, 85, 82.50, and 80. So this here, that's the 4:15, I guess, PM when they reported, but we're snaggled in all of these prints here. 4, 7, about 1 million here between 89 and 91. See, 89.06 and 91.06, this $2 move right here is where we have 1 million shares back from April 9th and April 13th, right? You can see that back here. So if this holds, it might move up, and if we break down below and this becomes resistance, then you can continue on the downside. Okay, let's go ahead and look at USO. Okay, so USO, last 30 days, March 30th, we have these prints here. We gapped up, and then we had the smaller prints. USO doesn't get massive ones. So this is like 200 and something K back into the prints where there's more. So you see this consolidation that's here, but we gapped down, hammered, increasing volume in a print there at the high of the day pretty much. And we've been moving up through these other prints. So what they do is they pull back to buy more. So when everybody's scared, oh, oil's crashing, then great, I want your shares if I'm the institution. And we're going to move this up, and let's see if we can get back up to 140. Not good for the pumps, but anyway, that's what we see, and we'll trade it. So on the intraday, you can see that we've gapped up a little bit, holding this 131.25. We're going to be bullish above 132. This is a double pivot and cam, so let's get above this. We've got this push up back. Let's see if this starts to make a little higher high in this 4 candle pattern here. Target 133.10, 133.41, so double pivot and cam there within 31 cents of each other. Then we've got 134.25, 135, 136, 137.04 is R3. So the ATR on this one is 773. And if this continues, where you see something like this, see the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average running together, no reason to get out until it closes below one of them. Okay, we're going to be bearish below 131. We're at 131.20 right now. Target 130.48, which is a cam. So this is a little tighter on the downside. You can see this 130.12, 129.76. We've got this 232K here at 129.40 and 129.16. So this is the post market right here. That's my 50 simple moving average. And yeah, so this is kind of tight here. And then I've got 129.04, 128.68, 128.32, and then 128. So I stopped at 128 here because we've got all of this. That's my 200 simple, 200 exponential, and a cam sitting there. So this is really, really tight here. So that's when I've mapped that out, $3. You can come down to the 127.31. Actually, I'll put 127.31 as S1 as the final target there, because we've got another print here. So maybe that will happen. The retracement seems a little more difficult, but anyway, we'll see how that works out. All right, there you have it. So please like, share, subscribe to our weekly newsletter, which is the Dark Pool Weekly Report. So you can subscribe to that at mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report. First name, email address, and you get that every Sunday at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. All right, happy trading, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.